Welcome back to another episode of Ali's Allotment. Now, if you've been following the channel, you'll know that I've done a couple of updates on where we're at with the chilies. Now, this is our first major harvest of the year. Here we've got a number of chili plants which we've overwintered, and the centerpiece is the Prairie Fire variety. Now, I love this chili because it's so versatile. It's not the tiny bird's eye type, but it is a bird's eye type of chili. You can see on this plant we've got some that are quite ripe, and some people prefer that. They prefer the chilies to get ripe. In terms of eating it as a direct green chili, this is a stage that I really like harvesting it for eating purposes directly. So we're going to do a chili harvest, and if you stick around we'll also get to the Armageddon, which is the really extremely hot chili, and I'll do a harvest of that as well. Okay, let's get me bowl. You can get a pair of scissors and start snipping them, but I find there's a union where the stem or the stalk of the chili joins the plant, and if you just pinch it there, you'll get the chili quite easily. Okay, I'm gonna carry on with the rest of this harvest, and we'll make our way towards the Armageddon. And like I said, I'll carry on with the rest of this harvest in a short while. So here's the Armageddon that I did a couple of videos on, and it's 1.3 million Scoville heat units. Check that out. Blow your head off, this will. But it's the super hots, and it's quite recent introduction. It's a quite recent introduction in the world of chili growing. And the thing to mention is that if you look closely here, there's another flush of chili growth. There's flowers forming. So hopefully we'll get a second harvest in the end of summer. So where are you up to with your chilies? Are you ready to pick them? Have you already been picking them? Let us know. Thanks for watching. Take care.